Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transcribe on Evernote using the Evernote app and turn your audio, handwritten notes, or images into searchable text. Transcribing notes in Evernote can be a game changer for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to stay organized and get more out of the ideas they capture. Let's dive in. First, open the Evernote app on your device. You can start with an existing note or create a new one. Think of this note as your main workspace. Everything you add, whether it's an audio clip, image, or video, will stay organized here. Next, add the content you want to transcribe. Tap Insert and then Attachments to upload files. You can add images, audio files, or videos. On desktop, you can even drag and drop files directly into your note. Make sure to label your files clearly so you can find them easily later. If you want to record audio on the spot, Evernote supports live recordings. Tap Insert, then Audio Recording, and start speaking. When you're done, click Stop, and your recording will be saved directly in the note. For the best results, record in a quiet space and speak clearly. This makes the transcription more accurate. Once your file is ready, it's time to convert it into text. On desktop, hover over the attachment, or if you just finished recording, wait for the Transcribe button to appear. Click it and Evernote will automatically transcribe your content. Longer files may take a little time, so let the app process in the background. Evernote can handle spoken words, handwritten text, images, and typed content with impressive accuracy. When the transcription is complete, the editable text appears right below the original attachment. From there, you can correct names or technical terms and format the text however you like. Best of all, the text becomes searchable, so you can quickly find important information later. And that's how you use Evernote to transcribe your notes. It's a smart way to make lectures, meetings, and brainstorming sessions easier to manage and more actionable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Happy transcribing!